Most of Grenada's frontline workers have refused to take the AstraZeneca jab, despite government's encouragement for them to do so. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sean Childs says this action will continue to put the entire country at risk and is calling on workers to rethink their action in this regard.
Although I do not have the number, I'm telling you that a significant percentage of these individuals have not been vaccinated, and in fact, they have been reluctant to be vaccinated, which is concern, but that these are the facts. We are hoping that with education, that we will be able to reach some of these individuals and convince them, because the medical field is a science-based field. All right, and we need individuals to respect the science that they practice. All right, believe in facts and not the misinformation.
The doctor says this is just one of the challenges faced by the Ministry of Health, as they are now experiencing non-compliance behavior from persons who needed to be tested for COVID-19 due to possible exposure.
So the defiance that you're seeing out there, and I think I mentioned defiance many, many times. You see, it starts one place and it spills over into the other. All right? So we are seeing persons who are defiant and resistant to being vaccinated. And we are also now seeing persons that are defiant and are resistant to being tested after a potential exposure to COVID.
The CMO explains that both challenges, along with the lack of protocol compliance from the general public, could be a recipe for disaster.
Right now, what we have is the perfect formula for a massive outbreak in Grenada. And if the public does not understand that right now, if anyone does not understand that right now, we have the formula right now. We have the conditions right now for there to be an outbreak. We have low immunity, high hesitancy to the vaccination, limited number of persons getting vaccinated. Persons are resistant, they're combative, they're fighting, they're doing everything in their power. And in addition, walk through St. George's with your camera one day. Physically count how many persons are wearing a mask. Right? If the public does not understand that we have all of the conditions right now for there to be a massive outbreak in Grenada, if you do not understand this now, all right, I'm seeing it.
Dr. Charles was speaking at government's weekly post-cabinet briefing. For GBN News, I am Brina Per Thomas reporting.